Can I start?
Yeah.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is a unique program on the World Disability Day, where we are trying to include and help the hearing impaired children and trying to make them inclusive in the society, because otherwise they feel that they are away from the society. So this is an effort made by us as the Josh Foundations, because we have been providing hearing aid and giving training to these children. So with the message that many of the children otherwise become deaf and mute or deaf and dumb, we say that deaf yes, but no dumb and no mute. This is the message which we want to convey to the society. Also, we want to say that they don't need any sympathy. What they need is a support. And if you support them, and that is the reason one of the companies, corporate sector, support us to provide a funding where we can give them a digital hearing aid. And I'm very happy that the team of Kshitij, which is the young children, are joining into the area where they are looking socially sensitized and they can understand and they can see. Little program which we did, seeing a smile on anybody's face is, I think, the biggest asset which you remember, and they will be having a happy time. So whole this program is basically meant in order to see that these children are made happy. We are going to donate at least about 50 children now, in total about 15 lakhs of donations which will come from this particular area. And as a Josh Foundation, we already donated more than about 1500 to 1600 hearing aid, where each hearing aid costs about 30,000 rupees. So this is our message.
How are the children chosen? I mean, these are from Maharashtra, All India.
So these children are from Bombay, from the different special schools. They have been selected, they are screened for their hearing. We make molds according to their requirement. We make hearing aid program according to individual's requirement. And we also counsel them how to wear the hearing aids, how to, parents should talk to the children after wearing the hearing aids, because wearing the hearing aids, they got near natural normal hearings. So they need to be taught like how normal people are talking. So this is the message through this World Disability Day. We want to pass it because these children, from the time they are born, they are facing the challenges. In COVID-19, we are coming out of with these challenges. So this is today's program is to get an inspiration from these children that we can come out of the challenges very fast.
What will be the follow-up after the process is completed? I mean, whether whatever your donation, whatever your contribution is properly managed, used.
So these schools, they have teachers, parents, they regularly come to us. Our staff visit every 3 months to the schools and find out how much is the progress, and wherever they need help, we also guide them. And through Josh Foundation, we were also running sports education, but due to COVID, it has not started. But as soon as the school will start, we will start sports education also for them. We have our donors today, Menshia, with us. Today we have going to give a hearing aids to 25 children.
This is an amazing initiative. It's actually my first time. My mother-in-law does most of this for Inventure Healthcare. But I think looking at the kids and looking at their development and the fact that we're able to support so many of them and hopefully have a potential of giving them a normal life and a future, I think that's tremendous. So hats off to Dr. Jayant and to Dr. Dahalia for doing such a tremendous job, and I wish we can spread more awareness about the Josh Foundation.
This is your first attempt?
The first time attending. I've been familiar with the activity and what we are doing, but I think it's very different to see the children than just to hear about them. So definitely, I think it's great, and I think the more early intervention, that's what I've been talking about there, like wish hospitals can diagnose this much sooner when the children are born. Tell them about Josh Foundation, other organizations, and get them that early intervention so that the kids can actually from the beginning learn how to use, because they don't have to. I mean, these things can be fixed. And it is sad that it takes them sometimes so long to find out that they have a potential disability which can be absolutely cured.
Okay.
Right?
Thank you so much. We'll be talking to the Mithibai College principal. She'll be enlightening us, more about what contribution from her side.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you talk about it?
Yeah, sure. This activity we have been doing with the Josh Foundation, in association with our festival, this festival where these young students are there. Now the main the objective of this type of activity is that our students themselves at a very young age get connected with this type of the activity, and they understand their social responsibility, and they are budding global citizens. So their help will be, they can be leaders or they can be torch bearers for this, so that whatever we have the misconception about the students and all that, we are separating them as the different life, so they will be the torch bearers for the further. This type, we do a lot of this type of CSR activities in Ashwini. It's not really a cultural festival. So these messages and the students themselves are doing it. So we are not doing, like, it is not that the idea we are giving to students themselves. I think that will go a long way. And the most important thing is that our job is to early intervention for these kids. They should be with the up to now only up to the 12th standard and all. We want them to come to the colleges with the regular students. Many of them don't come to the regular students. We give some vocational training. No, they have to be, and there are a lot of occupations which are available. They can be excel, they can be architects, they can be software engineers. So this will be a really.
So ma'am, your institute has been providing admissions to this underprivileged.
Yes, we give this admissions.
So is it a easy procedure or?
No, it is a regular procedure where we have this category. So in that case, the students definitely apply. We definitely give this. So we always support.
Okay.
Even if it is not, our management always supports. If we get a case and we want that our president will never say no for any of this type of this. He himself is a very progressive in thinking.
So there is not any strict criteria about giving admission to such kind of a kid?
Not the strict criteria as such, but there has to be a certain, we have this category in this, no? We give admissions.
Thank you so much, madam.
Thank you.